Hello X-Strand parents. This video tutorial is going to show you how to download the appropriate Seesaw app through the App Store on the iPads, whether you're using the school iPad or a home device iPad. It will be the same process on a Apple operating system device. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the App Store. When that loads, you're going to want to touch the search button, and in the search you're going to type in Seesaw class app or class journal. The one thing that you're going to want to make sure that you have and you know the difference on is between the Seesaw class and the Seesaw parent and family. The Seesaw class is where your child will be able to access the content, activities, and curriculum that the teachers are sharing out, as well as complete those activities and submit them into their learning portfolio for feedback from their teachers. So you will go ahead and push the download button or the get button. For some of you that had picked up your child's iPad, the Seesaw app will be on the device already. We'll go ahead and open it up. And when you get to this screen, you're going to want to click I'm a student. And then it's at this point in which you will want to enter the text code that will be directly linked to your child's account, or you can scan a QR code. If you are unfamiliar with either one of those, you will need to contact your child's teacher to be able to gain access to that. And once you enter the code or scan the QR code, you will be able to log into your child's account and gain access to the content, activities, and curriculum pushed out by our teachers. Thank you.